Welcome one and all. This is Shomudeep back here with national weather prediction. What is going to happen in terms of weather? Let's see. In the synoptic status, North Indian condition, if we see clearly due to the western disturbance presence, a rainfall activity is marked places over Leh, Ladakh, Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Chandigarh and adjoining areas will be seeing isolated rainfall because of this upcoming western disturbance, while an anticyclone present over Bay of Bengal is upcoming, bringing up a clear sky condition over Bay of Bengal and the eastern zones of India, while in South India isolated thunderstorms can be seen in the places of coastal Karnataka and adjoining areas. This rainfall is furtherly aggravating towards Hyderabad, Visakhapatnam coastlines also. Moving on for the North Indian sector observation, if we see because of this western disturbance, here also a marked presence of rainfall being present in case of Srinagar and adjoining area. This rainfall activities will be observed in case of Himachal as well as Chandigarh at approx areas in next 24 to 48 hours. It will be present. This rainfall will be present in case of Uttarakhand too. Let's see what is going to happen in case of temperature in the particular places such as Delhi. Like 34 temperature as maximum will be observed in case of Delhi with a clear sky condition, and a minimum temperature of 20 degrees Celsius will be seen in our capital. Let's see what is going to happen in Srinagar. Srinagar is getting an approximate 15 degrees Celsius as maximum, while the minimum temperature is dripping till -2 degrees Celsius. Isolated snowfall will be seen in this case, while Simla is getting 25 degrees Celsius as maximum and 15 degrees Celsius as minimum, while Dehradun is seeing an approximately same climatic condition to that of Shimla's maximum temperature, that is 25 and 15 minimum, while Jaipur is getting approximately more temperature is that of Delhi. Similar condition is being seen in case of Bhopal with a maximum temperature of 38 degrees Celsius, which is marked a high temperature. While moving on to the South Indian sector, South India sector will be getting a rainfall or isolated cloudy condition in upcoming 24 hours, while this rainfall condition will cease in upcoming days. Moving on for the Solapur, Hyderabad area, those all places also will be getting no rainfall while a clear sky condition will be seen. Places such as Hyderabad with 36 as maximum temperature, 23 degrees Celsius as minimum temperature will be seen, while in case of Chennai 35 degrees Celsius as maximum, 24 degrees Celsius as minimum will be observed. While Bhubaneswar will be getting slightly near about temperature to that of Hyderabad, while Kochi and Mumbai will be getting a temperature approximately closer to Chennai, while Bangalore will be getting a high temperature of 36 degrees Celsius as maximum, 20 degrees Celsius as minimum. Let's see what is going to happen in eastern sectors as well as northeastern sectors. The eastern sectors will have no rainfall, while in case of Meghalaya and adjoining places will be seeing a cloudy condition. No such rainfall activity will be observed in Seven Sisters in upcoming 24 to 48 hours. This rainfall will be aggravating or might occur in places of Arunachal Pradesh in a very light terms and for a short duration of time. Let's see what is going to happen in case of temperature in stations. Stations such as Kolkata getting a temperature maximum up to 37 degrees Celsius and minimum 25 degrees Celsius, while Patna is getting 33 degrees Celsius approximately as maximum, while 20 degrees Celsius as minimum. While Ranchi is getting a temperature range up to 35 as maximum and 20 degrees Celsius as minimum, which is quite a high temperature. While Silchar is getting a temperature up to 32 degrees Celsius as maximum, 20 degrees Celsius as minimum, while Agartala is getting a temperature up to 33 degrees Celsius as maximum and quite a low temperature of 15 degrees Celsius as minimum, while Gangtok is also getting a temperature quite low till 10 degrees Celsius, while maximum temperature is up to 23 degrees Celsius in this case. Let's see what is going to happen about temperature in overall India aspects. In next 3 days, temperature is going to see a quite abrupt change from north to south. The northern temperatures will be quietly dripping up to 15 to lower than 10 degrees Celsius in approx places of Jammu Kashmir, Leh Ladakh and adjoining districts. While in the below cases or that is South Indian cases, temperature will hike up to 40 degree, and places such as eastern and central India, temperature hike will be up to 41 and 42 degrees Celsius in next 72 hours. While in case of Gujarat adjoining places and coastline of Maharashtra and the places of Karnataka, coastal places specifically Goa will have a temperature hike up to 40 degrees Celsius Heat wave condition may prevail in isolated places of Odisha and adjoining places of Sambalpur or the northern parts or interior sectors. While Northeast India will be having a moderate climatic effect, no such heat wave condition will be seen in case of Seven Sisters, but a temperature hike of morning temperature hike of will be seen in case of Assam as well as in case of Meghalaya because of clear sky condition. Let's see what is going to happen in case of maximum temperature as concerned. In case of Pan India on the date of 27th, let's see, while Arunachal Pradesh getting a temperature near about a scale of 24 to 28, while Assam and Meghalaya will be seeing a similar condition, while in case of Lakshadweep and Andaman specifically will be getting a higher temperature range, while Tripura, Mizoram, Manipur and Nagaland is expected to get a 28 degrees Celsius approx temperature ranging up to 32 degrees Celsius. Similar cases will be observed in case of Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, while a heated temperature till up to 36 to 40 degrees Celsius in case of eastern, northern as well as in case of southern sectors. Specifically, Kerala will get a lower temperature than other states. Let's see what is going to happen in the next day in case of maximum temperature is concerned. Jammu Kashmir, Leh Ladakh is expected to get a very low temperature ranging up to -4 to -8 degrees Celsius with higher possibilities of rainfall chances, while approximately same temperature will be observed in case of central as well as in case of the other eastern zones and western zones of India. There will be temperature low as possible concerned as such as Tripura, Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland, and in case of Haryana, Delhi and Punjab, Chandigarh will be getting equivalent temperatures, while Arunachal Pradesh, Assam and Meghalaya will be getting a temperature up to 24 to 28 degrees Celsius approx. Let's see what is going to happen in temperature in next day. Similar temperature observation can be taken in the upcoming days. No such variation in temperature can be seen in the upcoming 3 days. Let's see what is going to happen in next cases, that is in terms of rainfall. Rainfall in case of 3 days will be consolidated to Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Karnataka, Pondicherry, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, that is mostly concentrating towards South India. The rainfall will be seen up to scale up to 20 millimeter approx in isolated places, while Lakshadweep and Andaman is also going to get a gradual increase in rainfall. A range up to 1 to 19 millimeter will be seen in case of Andaman and Lakshadweep Islands, while Arunachal Pradesh in case of Seven Sisters will get a spotty condition of rainfall. Let's see what is going to happen in terms of rainfall in case of 27th. As I said, the coastline of Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala will be getting a higher rainfall, while Pondicherry, Tamil Nadu, Lakshadweep and Andaman will get a similar kind of light rainfall up to 1 to 19 millimeter. Let's see in the next day. Similar rainfall condition, while taking into consideration that is Odisha is getting a rainfall in the next day in isolated places specifically concerned to interior as well as coastal areas, while Maharashtra, Karnataka is getting a higher rainfall chances or thunderstorm prevailing chances in next 3 days, and in the other places is remaining as such in the previous condition. Let's see what is going to happen in the next day. Next day also Arunachal Pradesh, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Arunachal Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, similar type of rainfall being observed, while Andaman and Lakshadweep as well as Arunachal Pradesh is getting a slight rainfall. Let's see what is happening in the next day with specifically weather alert is concerned. If we combine all the parameters which we discussed, we can see heat wave, a specific isolated places of Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand and Odisha is getting a cases of heat wave, with Gujarat as concerned in case of Indian context. Let's see what is going to happen in hailstorm. Hailstorm and thunderstorm, anything may occur in the coastline adjoining to Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu as well as Pondicherry and Arunachal Pradesh. Nothing is such is being present in case of the central India and northern Indian as concerned in the next 3 days. So to get more weather related updates, stay connected with us. Don't forget to subscribe us and follow us in our YouTube and Facebook. Thank you.